it mine. Every year in January, when we celebrate the Lahu New Year, this is how we start off. And if you're part of the church, we will start off from the church and we will go to a place where we have the area prepared for the New Year. And we will enter the stage or the area where the elders blowing the wind flute. And the ladies, they will follow the men to the area to celebrate the New Year of blessings and harvest. And so there's a lot of history behind this dance when we do the Lahu New Year. This is just a very brief introduction of the Lahu culture. Now we would like to welcome the women of drummers.
This is also part of my favorite dancing performance where the women does the drum, and it's very nice, and I love how they dance. Again, this is a showcase today as we celebrate Lahu-50th, but this is exactly what we do during our years. Year celebration in Thailand, in America, all over the world.
As you guys can see, the women over here, they're doing something with their hands. They are actually planting the rice seeds. As you guys can see, they're kind of like gathering the rice seeds on the ground.
So the women drumming, each of those dance moves does represent something. So as the Lahu of Thailand, it represents when we are harvesting rice, when we are basically, each of those movements has meanings to it.
Kaki si usi jadi kamasnya ada. Kaki si cewek seci jauhnya. Ini yang soal seci nanti mau cek. Kau seci cewek dia enggak bilang kosong, mau cek dalam kosong lain. Gambar aku kasih awal. It's a way to prepare the harvest, because the Lahu people, they depend on farming when they were in Laos and Thailand. And so there are certain ways of how they dance to look forward to the new year with the new crops and harvesting. And so when they are able to perform this in a way that is pleasing to God, that will bring in more crops and more harvest for the Lahu people. There are actually 33 dance styles that they were doing right now, but for today's purpose, they're just going to demonstrate 3 out of the 33. The Lahu New Year Festival is a big thing to the Lahu people because it has owners. They don't only get to see each other on a weekly basis. And so when New Year comes, they will all come together in one location where they get to meet each other, greet each other, and share their gifts with one another. Great job, ladies. Keep on going.
So each of those clothing represents something. So basically, married women's clothing looks different than single ladies. Single ladies have a lot more red, a lot more design, and the same thing for males too. If they're married, they have less patterns, less colors. But if they are not married and trying to find someone,
let's give it up